Weekdays wreck money decisions. You're rushing, you're tired, and the bank app feels like a slot machine. So we take money off the weekdays. We give it a home, Saturday only. In this video, you'll install a 45-second money audit that keeps your bills funded, your investing habit alive, and your buffer growing, without living in spreadsheets. Here's the promise. You'll leave with 3 things. 1. The Saturday-only rule you can say in one breath. 2. The exact 45-second checklist that runs the system. 3. A quick setup so your phone reminds you and your future self can wiggle out. First, the map we already use here. Bills. Spend. Save and invest. Bills covers essentials and keeps your checking cushion at the floor. Spend reloads weekly so one bad day can't ruin a month. Save and invest grows your emergency tiers and keeps a tiny calm buy. One broad index fund, once per month, alive on schedule. The Saturday audit checks these 3 lines and makes one decision you never make midweek. Why Saturday? Because moods are loud, schedules are louder. If you let money decisions float, they'll land on your worst hour. Saturday gives you a quiet minute, the same each week, so the rule runs and the noise doesn't. The rule in one breath. Saturday only. Fund next month's bills. Confirm the calm buy. Raise or hold transfers. Then stop. No midweek tweaks. No late night guilt. 45 seconds, once a week. Open loop for later. In a moment, I'll give you 2 sentences to paste in your calendar. And the memo line of your transfers, so future you can argue with present you. Keep listening. Let's define the 45-second money audit. 3 checks, 1 optional bonus. Check 1, bills floor. You're looking forward 1 month. Are next month's essentials already funded? Housing, utilities, transportation, medications, insurance, minimum debt, basic food. If yes, you stop feeding bills until the cycle resets and free up money for your buffer. If no, you send enough from save and invest to cover the gap, or you trim next week's spend a notch. The point is calm next month, today. Check 2. Calm buy. Did this month's automatic buy execute? 1 broad index fund once per month, sized to survive your worst week. If it executed, great, identity confirmed. If it failed, you reschedule it for next Thursday. Not tomorrow, not later. 1 scheduled buy, you can keep beats 5 intentions you abandon. Check 3. Raise or hold. Ask, did the last 2 weeks feel calm? If yes, raise your post-payday transfer by $25. That's our mini raise ladder. If no, you skip once and protect the chain. Identity over intensity. The habit must bend, not break. Bonus, leak sweep. Find 1 tiny leak, a stray subscription, a small fee, a habit you won't miss. Redirect that exact dollar to your transfer. Boring, effective. Over a year, small patches add up. Now install it so it runs on rails. Setup A, names you can see. In your bank, label accounts or spaces, bills, spend, fast emergency. In checking, add cushion floor, blank, to the nickname or notes. Labels reduce friction. Friction kills habits. Setup B, automations. The morning after payday, money flows. Bills funds essentials and tops the cushion to the floor if needed. Then your fixed transfer goes to fast emergency. Your calm buy is scheduled monthly. Your weekly spend reloads on Sunday. You are removed from the piano of tiny choices. Setup C, the Saturday reminder. 1 repeating calendar event called 45-second audit, Saturday only. Description. 1. Next month's bills funded. 2. Calm buy executed. 3. If calm 2 weeks, plus 25 transfer. If not, skip once. That's it. You tap the event, you run the 3 checks, you're done. 2-week demo. Week 1. Paycheck Friday. Saturday morning the audit runs. Bills for next month are 85% covered. Calm buy is scheduled for Thursday. Last 2 weeks felt steady, so you tap raise by 25 on the transfer. Total time, half a minute. You close the app and enjoy your weekend. Week 2. No deposit. Saturday audit again. Calm Buy shows the receipt from Thursday. Chain intact. Bills for next month are now above the floor thanks to last week's raise. This week felt a little tight, so you hold no raise. You write hold in the calendar note. Irregular income. Use presets layered on top. Lean 5%, normal 10%, feast 15% of take home toward the buffer. You still audit on Saturday. You still ask the same 3 questions. You only raise when the last 2 weeks felt calm. Partners, mine, yours, ours. The audit lives in ours. Decide raise or hold together. High interest debt? Never miss minimums. Keep the cushion at its floor. While fast emergency builds toward 1 month, split extra between Tier 2 and your highest cost debt. When Tier 2 hits target, push harder on the debt. Common traps this audit prevents. Midweek tinkering. Moving everything to save, bills first. Pausing the Calm Buy until things calm down. We size it to survive thin weeks. Close the open loop. Paste this in your calendar and transfer memo. Saturday only. Fun next month. Confirm Calm Buy, plus 25 if calm, else skip. Story. Dev. Shift swing. Fees used to feel random. Saturday he checked bills, slightly short for next month. Moved $40 from save and invest, confirmed the Calm Buy, and wrote, hold. Next Saturday, calmer, raise by 25. 3 months later, checking stayed above the floor and fast emergency reached 1 month. Not magic, just rhythm. Make success visible. 1 paper, 3 lines. Bills funded. Calm Buy done. Raise or hold. Check the 3 boxes after your 45 seconds. The streak is the system. Lock it in now. Create the Saturday event. Label accounts. Schedule the post-payday transfer with the memo, Saturday only, plus 25 if calm, else skip. If you don't have a Calm Buy, create a small monthly buy you can keep during lean weeks. Put the paper checklist where you pay bills. Comment. Saturday audit done. Calm Buy done. Raise or hold. We'll share 1 win and 1 block on Monday. Calm beats noise. Rules beat moods. See you on Saturday, with a system that runs itself. Educational content only, not financial, tax, or legal advice.